BMW key battery change. This sort of a key. This remove. Okay, this is good, but we need to change it to this. Be careful, there's parts coming out of this. If you pry this too much, like from here, knife, and just turn it. This one is very tight. Doesn't want to open. Is this glued? Okay, I think this is glued here before. There. Okay, it was glued. There we have the battery. There's the buttons. Okay. It was welded there. Oh fuck, is it welded here also? Yes. It's welded from there. What is this battery? Okay, we need to take the battery out. Why have they done it like this? Okay, we need to get the battery for this, and we can try to get this working again. There's nothing to hold these together. Not at this side anyway. This here has been glued. Someone has already tried to change the battery for this. Okay, so we'll have to remove these from here and here and solder it back, because here's the new battery. It costs about 20 to 25 euros. It comes with these. So it's like this. We need to take these off first. Insert this battery like that, and we just heat this up and it should go through. Okay, now we can put some solder. And that's it for the battery. Now we'll just have to glue this back on. Okay, so there we go. That's intact now. We'll just need to see if this works. And if it doesn't, we'll need to reprogram this. Let's see if that works. Okay, let's try if this fixed key works straight. It has been a long time that the battery has been dead, so let's try. It took it. It works straight away. Okay, so the car key, this BMW has charging port there, so you have to change the key sometimes, so it will charge the battery. It's rechargeable, so that's why it's so hard to change. Okay, that's it for the key, and we'll still have a lot more faults and fixes to make, but let's do those in the next videos. Is this fucking welded here? I think it's welded. Oh man.